Remember we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned, now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you, acting like a fool. I'm on the other side, you're like a full moon. And I'm up all night, howling at you. Tables have turned, tables have turned.
So this is my experiment fish. I'm gonna put a cider a little bit. And then an oil. I use the oil for the salad, so it's a little bit less, is a little bit more less fatty, you know. So another soya sauce, kind of a so different kind of sauces. And then it's that this is it, I think. So I'm gonna think it's enough, all those ingredients. I'm gonna do this like maybe I'm gonna do so like this. So I'm gonna put it up first, guys. So this is the one I'm putting under. So I'm gonna put it down. So this one, it was so. So I'm gonna place it now. I hope I can close. I hope it's not gonna do damage to the please don't click a hole. But anyway, I'm gonna put it for to the steamer, so it's okay. So now I'm gonna put it in here. Did you see that? It's difficult, I think. So, and then I you know it. How many I will put? Let me see. Fish. 15 to 35 minutes. So I'm gonna do 35 minutes for sure. Okay. We shall see later. Alligator. Yan na po ang isda ko. Luto na. Ayan na. Hi, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Pinay, Bisaya, and Belgium. Ito guys, magmumukbang na naman ako ngayon. Kasi it was long time ago. Yung una ko kasing mukbang, I think is 3 months ago. Wala na siyang sounds kasi na-copyright ako at tinanggal ko yung music doon. Kaya pag piniplay nyo yung video ko, wala siyang sounds, mute siya. Kasi hindi ko pa nalagyan ng panibagong music siya. Pwede naman pwede mo siyang lagyan ng panibago. So ita-try ko ulit ngayon. At ayaw ko nang magka-copyright. Kukuha na lang ako ng music na no copyright sa library, sa YouTube. Okay guys, see you later. Kain muna. Meron akong eggs, noodles, chicken na himunado, yung beans ko, at saka yung ricola salad. Favorite ko yung ricola.